Hello everyone from Sri Lanka. I'm on my way to a village area and I'm happy that I can travel today without having rain so far. The last couple of days we kind of had always a non-stop rain. I don't know what will happen today, but these days I like the most just waking up, driving somewhere to local areas and just see what will happen. So I hope it will be a wonderful journey. Join me and wish me luck. There will be no rain later. Oh, look how high we are. Let me show you the view. Let me show you the view. Not sure how many meters above the surface, above the water surface we are here right now. Temperature is around, I would say, 24 degrees maybe, 25, 24. This weather actually is the weather that I like the most while traveling. Not too hot, not too cold. No rain, and you also don't get a sunburn. Some landslides were going on here. Oh, there's a monkey, you see? Oh, more monkeys. Oh, I hate monkeys. And a ferret. I think it was a ferret. Yeah, sometimes you see monkeys chilling with the dogs, yeah? But I don't like monkeys because they sometimes unexpectedly show me their teeth and start being angry and something. Let's stop here. Hello, yeah, I don't know. Take care. Yeah, anyways, let's continue. There was a mouse crossing the street. You see so many animals. Yeah, yesterday I was somewhere and there was a man. He had a little food stand. I mean, really little. And many birds came really close to us. They were not shy at all. And it's a squirrel as well. Yeah, he said, "These are my friends." I think because he usually feeds them with some crumbles. He was selling fried snacks. We are 7 minutes away. I just navigated to this village area. I have no specific destination actually. And some locals, they are working here on the streets. Wow, I have to stop again. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And this is also what you see here many times. It's from the betel nut. The locals, they like to eat betel nuts. It's the most addictive drug in the world, I heard. Some people say it's good for your teeth, that's why they use it, and yeah, other people say it's just a substitute for alcohol, smoking cigarettes, doing drugs. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. I will show it to you with my iPhone. Oh my God. But I don't live in Germany anymore.
Yeah, very good. How is Sri Lanka?
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
But to be honest, the last couple of days, too much rain.
Yeah.
Every day like raining.
Yes.
And today I'm happy. Good weather.
Today weather is good.
Today no rain?
Today sometime
Maybe evening no problem. But daytime, hopefully not. Is there a smell?
Not the smell good.
Hello, mister.
31st to 31st. How is 31st?
Pardon?
Today 31st. Today, end of the year.
End of the year, New Year's Eve, yes.
New Year.
You make party.
We had two yesterday.
Yesterday party?
Yeah.
So I should have came here yesterday.
Tomorrow we'll go to job. Today not.
Okay. Today is a
Today
day off.
no party.
No part. I don't celebrate as well. I explore. This is my New Year's Eve
Oh,
event.
very good.
I want to go. I don't know where to go.
Where will you go to?
Ambadandagama.
Yeah. This village.
This is the village, yeah.
Yeah.
I will just explore your village here. Oh, they have a saloon here.
Yes, hello.
Saloon for haircut.
Oh, what? So, auntie.
You can make haircut,
Yeah.
but I don't have hair.
Finish.
You cannot.
You can.
But I can check.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
You want cut my hair now?
I don't have hair.
Yes.
I don't have hair. I cannot get a haircut. Only maybe a beard trim, but not now.
Yes.
Where do you recommend me to go? I go down there. I go here.
This is good.
When I go up, it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This area very good.
Also, people living there upstairs.
People live.
It's getting a bit more fresh here, of course. The more you drive up. Okay, this is maybe the street that he mentioned. Yeah, the front brake is so bad, I cannot use it. And even when you go down, you shouldn't use the front brake. And the back brake, I need, so I have to switch my hands. And just rolling down. Hello. Hello. What is hello in Sinhalese language actually? Kohamada. Let's take a Sinhalese language class with some locals maybe today in the village. It's a holy tree here, I suppose, with the Buddha behind the glass. I don't know the meaning of these flags or these flags. They have many of these flags here. My motorcycle is parking there. It's a bit too steep for this kind of motorcycle with kind of no brakes. And I don't know if you can keep going here on this trail or if it's just a house from someone or homestay or something. But at least I can hear a river or a waterfall. Let's hope that we can go there for a little swim maybe. Or maybe not. This is a little river. So they're planting something here. I think I might go back and taking another road there. Where I talked to the guys earlier. Ah, you are here? Okay. What are you doing here? Huh?
I did see you. Oh. Came here.
But he has nothing.
Support you. This little village. This farmers, many farmers.
But here, but here is it the wrong way where I came?
No.
Because he has nothing actually.
No. Don't be afraid. These people good.
But where should I go? Because there's
Okay. You can go
another way
upstairs.
upstairs.
This place is good or not good? Good though?
Yeah, to be honest, really boring. There's what can I do here? Filming the tuk-tuk
Yeah.
and a bus
But
and maybe some monkeys. You know everyone from the villages here, right?
They are all neighbors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many people live here in this?
About
in this area?
20 houses.
20 houses.
Yes.
Okay. And I see it's only the decoration, or you sell the flowers?
Centurion. Centurion.
It's-
In single name.
You sell the flowers then?
Yes.
For how much you can sell?
About one pot.
Uh-huh.
500 and 300.
500 or 300?
Like this. Yes. This one about 500.
This 500.
Yes.
Because this one more beautiful with the color.
Color is good, no?
Yeah, I like it.
If you can come our place tomorrow, you can see bee honey.
Honey.
bee honey.
Okay.
You can get bee honey bottle
Yeah.
about 800 rupees.
800. Do you have
Yes.
small bottle as well with honey? Small. What is the smallest?
500 grams.
Yeah.
800
800.
rupees.
Okay.
Only.
Sometimes I put honey in my face because
Yes.
it makes the face really good.
Very good.
Yeah. That's why I look so young.
Oh.
No, not. But it's good for your face. Yeah. What's your name, Mister?
I am Veeravani. You are?
Carlos.
Carlos.
Veeravani.
Veeravani.
Your name, Mister?
Panir
Hello.
is Tamil person.
Carlos. You are Tamil? as
Tamil.
well? And you?
Tamil person.
And you are Tamil as well?
I am Sinhalese.
Sinhalese. Okay. So Tamil people, Sinhalese
we
people
like
live here
Both are
in this village,
new in
right?
this village.
Okay. No Christian people, right?
No problem.
No Muslim?
No problem.
No problem. But mostly Tamil
We are brothers.
brothers
like
and
that.
sisters.
Yes.
Yeah. And many dogs, of course.
Yeah.
Dogs so
Yes.
friendly in Sri Lanka.
Kalyan. Yes. Yan.
So shy.
Sometime. This my brother.
Hello, brother. Hello.
Kalis, you look Kalis. In Germany, there are Martin.
Are these?
You can eat.
What is?
Very good.
What is the name?
Cherries.
Cherry?
Cherries. Cherries.
Like Sri Lankan cherry?
Sri Lanka cherries. This quality is only Sri Lanka.
But yeah, I've never seen this. Looks cute and interesting. And pretty sour.
This flower.
Okay.
Only beautiful. Not selling. These are not selling. Not eat.
No
But
eating.
beautiful. No eating.
It's poison.
Can't eat. No, not poison.
But
But we are not eating.
mm-hmm.
Only beautiful. We are asking Natalgas, Christmas trees. Christmas trees. Like
Christmas.
this one.
This for okay.
Christmas trees.
I don't know the name anymore. And
Yeah.
these are the seeds. I had 2 seeds of the
Yes.
from the cherry.
Cherries.
I just throw it here, or I just
Cherry.
throw it here.
Yes.
Yeah?
You can grow.
Interesting taste.
Yes.
Little bit sweet. More sour than sweet. A bit bitter maybe.
This is my brother. This is Mr. Kalis.
Mr. Carlos.
Carlos.
What's your name?
Mr. Sudat.
Nice to meet you. Carlos. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You have a beautiful place here.
Yes, this is my elder.
Peaceful in the nature here. Coconuts over there.
Yes, bananas,
Banana. Oh, really? And Sri Lankan cherries.
cherries.
I really like it.
Monkeys. Do you like monkeys?
Yeah, if they are friendly, yes.
Yeah, he's,
But sometimes naughty.
he's
So many
eating,
monkeys.
Jackfruit.
Ah, monkeys eat jackfruit.
Monkey. Both are here. You can get a picture.
Yeah, maybe.
Eh?
I've never seen I mean, I have seen monkeys, but I've never seen monkeys eating jackfruit. See?
Yeah, Germany. Germany. There are people. අතන ග්‍රේවල් වලට එන්න ඕන කියලා ආවේ නෙහි. මල් හොයන්නේ. අරක කණේ කෙනාට වැඩ ගියද බලන්න. Big screw. Yeah. Big screws. Yeah. Yeah.
Not jackfruit?
Oh, animal.
Animal?
You can,
Well.
yeah. Dandulena. We can see
yeah, I see.
Dandulena.
You see it over there.
Kind of square, big yeah.
They can they make the coffee?
Yes.
Is it like the chiva?
They are eating jackfruit, anything.
And then they poop and you can drink the coffee?
Coffee.
This animal?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is a coffee animal?
Yes.
Yeah?
Oh.
It's a luwak. A civet.
Innocent animals.
Yeah.
They are innocent animal, no?
Yeah. I like the nature in Sri Lanka. It's so unspoiled, right? It's so natural.
Yeah.
You see everything, many birds, squirrels, ferrets, you see monkeys, you see dogs, not much trash,
Cows.
and cows as well, fruits, vegetables, flowers. I like it.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful and peaceful.
Natural, no?
Yeah, it's natural. Yeah, it's a bit untouched. Okay.
Are you hungry now? Are you hungry? Oh.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Yeah. Hey. Apa itu? Jangan. Mungkin luar mas. Jangan.
Okay. Oh, the monkey. I need more zoom in my phone that I can capture this. The monkey's holding the jackfruit. Looks pretty nice, pretty cool.
Jackfruit. They are eating jackfruit.
You like jackfruit?
Hey.
What happened? Sick, yeah?
Oh.
Not healthy. Okay.
Yes.
Now going down?
Okay.
You also go down or you stay here?
I stay Johnson.
In Saloon?
Live Saloon.
Okay.
Near the Saloon.
Yeah, I go there as well.
Yes.
I go down.
Can come.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. You can get picture in beautiful area.
I took
That's
already.
why I told you. They are built hotel, new one.
Ah. Oh,
Yeah,
okay, I see. Behind there. When will it be finished actually?
Water tank.
The hotel.
They will build hotel
But they just started, right?
to start now.
Someone from your village built the hotel?
Yes, this view is good now.
Hello. And we are back.
Yes.
We are back. So you
You
said,
want to eat something?
yeah, what can I find here?
This boutique.
They have, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come in.
Ah, yeah. I see some snacks. I need definitely some snacks.
You can drink tea also. Tea or tea.
Ah, you have tea, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
What? Eat something?
Yeah, I think so. Little
Yes,
little
fine.
snacks maybe.
Thank you.
You have the fresh tea,
Yes, press.
fresh Sri Lankan tea.
Yes.
Hello, Mister. Hello.
What is it?
Ah, okay. I will.
This one good though? Good or not good? What is?
Ah, yeah. This not sweet, yeah.
Yes, not sweet. So it is.
Is it chili inside? Dried chili
Yes, chili.
and some. What leaf is this one actually?
Arabincha, not be afraid. Can eat.
Look, dog, chicken, and cows. Who's leading the cows, or they just walk by themselves?
How?
I like it. Hello. Oh, you have little store as well. What are you selling actually? Fresh garlic, onion,
Mr.
potato.
This is Ali.
Hello, Mister. Carlos. I'm Carlos.
Carlos.
This is sweet or for cooking?
Bananas.
Is it sweet banana? It's not sweet, right? Almost. This for cooking, right? Upside down. You open it down.
Oh,
It's,
you can get that
it's really good.
tea.
Thank you. Actually, I was about to ask how much the banana is, but then I just got one.
Yeah.
This one I just throw here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can get. Yes. No problem.
I think one is good, but maybe I try. And this is Sri Lankan candy. This is from Sri Lanka,
Okay. This is like a cake.
or is it from another country?
Kind of cake.
It's from Sri Lanka.
Yeah. These are sweets, no sweets.
This sweet. I think I've tried this already.
This ginger biscuit.
Okay, I try this one first. So this is some chocolate, soft chocolate bar or something.
Cake.
Oh yeah, it's like a pie, yeah.
You can drink tea.
Oh, there's tea. Oh wow. 1 second. Take care on the road.
Sit.
I will sit here. You don't drink tea?
Now
Or
I want to eat something. Food.
you want to eat?
Yes. I want to eat something now.
Where do you eat?
Now I am going to a house and eat
Ah, and your wife cooking?
rice. Yes.
Ah, rice with curry.
Yes.
Chicken?
Chicken, vegetable.
Uh-huh. I like. I wanted to eat something before I came, but I forgot. It's a lot of sugar inside, but I like it. One.
मैं टोपी कुछ करना.
I've never tried. Okay, Stuti. So I just paid everything. And this is a mango candy or something.
Yes.
Okay. And for you. Change for you. Yeah?
No.
Please keep it.
Yes, yeah, but then.
But it's basically a piece of sugar that I'm having in my mouth right now. And we missed a chicken fight. I hear the chicken attacked the dog, and the dog attacked the chicken back. Oh, you don't look healthy, doggo. And the chicken ran away up there. So, I don't want to wish that there's a rain. Oh. Over there raining or no?
Yes.
This raining or no?
Yes, it will be sometime.
And right now raining or no?
Climate is not good. Sometime now rain is coming.
So I will go down.
Yes.
I think the chances is higher that there will be no rain.
Yeah.
But if so, I have a raincoat as well. No. I don't know where. Somewhere. You imagine how it was when I came up here the hills, and now it looked like this. Wish me luck that there will be no rain. Oh yeah. The engine turned off. We don't accelerate. Right after starting the motorcycle, then it turns off usually. Yep. Look how foggy it is. Wow, I have to show you this one. Night atmosphere, by the way. Really nice atmosphere. And it's raining again. I will also leave in 2 days. I think it's too much rain. I haven't really explored many things just because of this weather. And even if the first half of the day is sunny and without any rain, it can change so quickly. Yeah, what can I say? I'm waiting for my food. And here, hey, it's not raining inside. Of course not.